empowering the world through innovative and accessible education.
Hey there, science fans! Remember ChatGPT? That super cool AI that talks like us? It's awesome for chatting, writing, and so much more, but guess what? We can make it even cooler. Get ready to become a ChatGPT master? We're diving into advanced techniques. We'll learn how to customize this AI to be even more powerful and helpful. Think of it like this. ChatGPT is like a robot brain. It's smart, but it needs us to teach it new things. We can shape its personality, its voice, and even give it special skills. This is called customization, and it's what makes ChatGPT truly amazing. Get ready to explore the exciting world of advanced ChatGPT techniques. We'll uncover the secrets of system prompts, fine-tuning, and more. By the end of this journey, you'll be a ChatGPT pro, ready to unlock its full potential. Let's get started. Imagine having a conversation with a Shakespearean scholar. Now imagine talking to a stand-up comedian. Totally different vibes, right? That's what creating personas with ChatGPT is all about. We do this with something called system prompts. These are special instructions we give ChatGPT before we start chatting. Want your AI to be a helpful librarian? Tell it. For example, you could start your prompt with, "You are a friendly and knowledgeable librarian. You love helping people find books." Now ChatGPT will respond like a helpful librarian. It's like magic, but with code. Just like people, ChatGPT can change its tone and style. Want it to sound formal? Go for it. Prefer something casual and friendly? No problem. We can even make it sound funny, or try to at least. We do this by adding instructions or directives right in our regular prompts. For example, we can say, write a formal email to a professor, or tell me a funny story about a cat. The key is to be clear and specific. Tell ChatGPT exactly what you want. The more information you give it, the better it will understand and adapt. It's all about guiding your AI to communicate the way you want. Think of fine-tuning as giving ChatGPT extra training in a specific area. Let's say we want our AI to be an expert in climate change. We can do that. We use something called OpenAI's API, which is like a special doorway into ChatGPT's system. We feed it a bunch of information about climate change. This could be articles, reports, even scientific data. ChatGPT then uses this data to learn and become more knowledgeable in that area. It's like sending your AI to a special school. This is super helpful for businesses, researchers, or anyone who needs ChatGPT to be an expert in a particular field. Section 5, ChatGPT teams up, plugins and integrations. Remember when your smartphone could only make calls? Now it can do everything. ChatGPT can also connect with other apps and tools to become even more powerful. This is called integration. Think of platforms like Zapier and Make.com. These are like connectors. They let ChatGPT talk to other apps we use every day like Gmail or Google Calendar. Need to schedule a meeting based on a conversation in ChatGPT? Integration makes it possible. And then there are plugins. These are like adding special abilities to ChatGPT. One amazing example is the code interpreter. Section 6, Code Interpreter. ChatGPT does data. Data is everywhere. It can tell us so much, but it can be hard to understand. That's where the Code Interpreter plugin comes in. It lets ChatGPT analyze data and explain it in a way that even I can understand. Imagine you have a spreadsheet full of numbers about your business. The Code Interpreter can analyze that data and tell you which products are selling best, or where you can save money. It can even create graphs and charts to make the information easier to understand. It's like having your own personal data scientist. Section 7, Automation Power APIs and SDKs. Now let's talk about automation. APIs and SDKs are like secret codes that let us connect ChatGPT to our own apps and websites. This opens up a whole world of possibilities. Imagine you have a customer service chatbot on your website. You can use APIs and SDKs to connect that chatbot to ChatGPT. Now your chatbot can understand and respond to customer questions in a much more human-like way, 24/7. This is just one example. We can use APIs and SDKs to automate all sorts of tasks, making our lives easier and more efficient. Section 8. Mastering ChatGPT, your cheat sheet. We've covered a lot of ground. Here's a quick recap of the awesome techniques we learned. Personas use system prompts to give ChatGPT a specific personality and style. Tone and style. Guide ChatGPT's communication style with clear directives in your prompts. Fine-tuning train ChatGPT on specific topics using OpenAI's API to make it an expert. Integrations. Connect ChatGPT with other apps and platforms like Zapier and Make.com. Code interpreter. Analyze data and get insights with the help of this powerful plugin. APIs and SDKs. Connect ChatGPT to your own apps and websites to automate tasks. Remember, the key to mastering ChatGPT is to experiment. Try different prompts, experiment with different plugins, and see what you can create. The possibilities are endless. Section 9. Go forth and customize. Congratulations, science explorers. You've learned how to take ChatGPT to the next level. Now it's your turn to put these techniques into action. Go forth and customize. Create your own personas, fine-tune your AI, and build amazing things with ChatGPT. The future is in your hands and it's powered by AI. Stay curious.